Hello everyone! Join me here in Budapest, Hungary for my one-day layover. Since yung hotel namin is nasa city, nag-decide lang ako na maglakad-lakad. And my colleague asked me to try this New York cafe. And they said it's this most beautiful cafe in the world. So let's see. Ito yung entrance niya. And pagpasok, merong line sa may reservation at sa walang reservation. Kasi lagi daw siyang mahabang pila, then minsan punuan pa. Kaya yung iba nagpapa-reserve talaga, pero today, since walk-in nga, wala akong reservation. Luckily, hindi siya ganun kadami yung tao, kaya nakakuha agad ako ng seat. And ayun na nga, no doubt, sobrang ganda nung cafe, para na siyang museum or something na attraction talaga. Plus, nakaka-relax yung classical music nila. Since ako lang mag-isa lumabas, sariling sikap again sa pag-video sa sarili, ganyan. So ayun, masyado nang nag-enjoy and kailangan ko nang mag-order kasi tumitingin na yung mga waiter. And ito yung in-order ko, yung tawag is 24 karat gold New York hot chocolate with strawberry flavor and whipped cream. So nanghihinayang pa ako dyan haluin kasi masisira yung design. Ang ganda ng design kasi. So I will rate this hot chocolate 10 over 10. Overall experience is sobrang na-amaze ako sa lugar and highly recommended kasi mababait din yung mga staff nila. After that, I decided to leave and maglakad-lakad ulit sa labas. Then, ayun, napadaan lang ako sa isang mall na malapit sa hotel to check if may mabibili ako. And I saw this Harry Potter character Ron and Hermione. Pero hindi ko binili kasi tipid tayo. So dahil tipid, ayun, walang nabili kaya food na lang. Gabi na, so kailangan ko nang umuwi kasi bukas, babalik na ulit for the flight. I'm here in our hotel and I'm going to my room. But I'm back in the hotel with this stuff kasi wala silang plastic. So itong binili ko sa grocery, ganyan lang siya. So para siyang mukhang kinuha lang siya. Ayun lang. Thank you so much for watching and that's it for today's vlog. Ayun lang yung layover kasi 17 hours lang siya. And tomorrow 7 AM is our pick up time and going back to Doha again.